Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of this plastic welding kit. I was sent this for free in exchange for my review, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Here's a quick look at everything that comes in the kit. So you have the nice storage box, welding tools here, these different pieces of wire and brackets that you could put two pieces of plastic together, kind of support it, and then weld it to the bracket. You have your instruction packet with your how-to, and then you also have the consumable goods that you'll need to weld things together. My back porch chair has a cracked armrest here, so I'm going to repair that. I trimmed off pieces of white plastic and I'm using the gun to press down. Those little pieces are melting immediately. This tool heated up very quickly and it's very hot. So I'm just going to continue to melt those pieces and smooth them over the crack. Now I turn my chair over and I'm just going to smooth out some of the rougher edges where that crack was. It might not look perfect, but it's not going to have any sharp edges now when we place our arms there. So now I'm going to look at repairing my chair with the other welding tool. It has a trigger right here, and this is the end. So as soon as I pull that trigger, the light pops on and it's going to immediately start heating my wire piece at the end there. You see it turn bright red. So I'm going to press that gently into the base of my crack because I don't want to go all the way through my chair. There we go. Now that I've let that cool, you can see that my connector piece is in my chair, and I'm just going to trim off the excess wire. I put a little piece of netting down over those exposed wire ends, and now I'm just melting a piece of the clear plastic on top of that. That little screen's going to prevent my gun from making contact with those sharp wire ends. In summary, my favorite thing about this kit is that it gives me the ability to make a repair that I normally couldn't make. My Adirondack chair on the porch has been broken for months and I almost threw it away. But thanks to this, we repaired it and I can move on and keep it. So I do recommend it.